Hello guys, welcome back to iMyFone YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp not restoring photo from backup issues. Method 1. Make sure the two iPhone device is in the same iOS version. Go Setting first and click General option and enter to About, and then you can see the software version. When we can't restore photos from the old iPhone to the new iPhone, we need to check the software version. Method 2. Make sure you have turned on Backup in iCloud Drive. Go to Setting and click Apple ID, your name. Step 2. Tap on iCloud option and swipe down to open the WhatsApp option. Otherwise, your WhatsApp data will not be backed up properly in the iCloud backup. Method 3. Use iMyFone iTransfer to restore WhatsApp photos. The most useful method to restore WhatsApp photos is to use iMyFone iTransfer. Let's see how to do it. First, download iTransfer for WhatsApp on your PC and click Restore Export WhatsApp Backup in the bottom left corner. Then, choose a backup from the list and click Restore to Device button. Note, a pop-up will ask if you like to preview the WhatsApp backup before restore. You can proceed to view the backup or skip this process to restore the backup directly. Then, connect your iPhone with PC once you are ready to start the restore. Remember to unlock your device and trust computer, then click Restore. The process will start and you just need to wait for it to finish. Note, the restore time depends on the size of data you want to restore. Okay, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything, like and leave a comment. And see you next time.